What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jules, I'm a digital artist, and today I will show you how you can make stickers from home with or without equipment. So before we start, a bit about myself. I'm Jules, I'm an artist and animator, and I have a very tiny small little business in Etsy where I mostly sell stickers, sticker sheets, prints, and bookmarks. It's called Pikachuls, and two of my latest additions to the shop are these two cute little stickers I made for Valentine's Day, and I made them without having to move from here, this chair. So if you guys want to know how to do that, I'll explain it. I'm going to be showing you different ways to do it. It mostly depends on how much you want to do yourself or how much you want to manufacture, but all of them are super easy. I will leave the different timestamps on the description, so if you're not interested in all of them and you just want to go to the one you're interested in, feel free to do so. And now, with everything said, let's get started with the first one. This first one is for people who don't have any drawing tablet, printer, or cutting machines. The only things you will need are scissors, anything to draw, and paper. Preferably sticker paper, but if you don't have any, you can also just use glue. The first step will be to draw anything you want and then cut it with your scissors as best as you can. Usually, leaving a small white border makes the stickers pop more and makes them look better. If you are using sticker paper, make sure it has the matte finish so it's easier to draw on. These stickers are perfect to decorate or to make as a gift. But if you're planning to make digital, professional looking stickers, you will need a couple more things. For this second method, you will need a drawing tablet, a computer, and a drawing software. I personally use the huion kamvas 22, but a simple wacom one works just as well. You could even use the mouse if you're feeling adventurous. And if you don't have a computer, the iPad is a really good alternative. For softwares, I personally love using Photoshop and Clip Studio Paint, but there are plenty of free ones that works just as great like Cricut, Medibang, or others. Once you have everything you need, it's time to start with the design. Keep in mind that this design will have to be printed, so the file needs a good resolution. For my stickers, I like to give them 300 dpi, but you can go with 600 if you want to be extra safe. When making your file, keep in mind the size you want your stickers to be. I usually go for around 6 or 9 centimeters, but this is absolutely your preference. Once the file is ready, you make your design. Remember to give it a white border or any other color so that it looks a bit more like a sticker, and download it as a PNG with no background. This part is really important for the next steps. If you guys want a more detailed video about just this part of the process, let me know in the comments. Now that you have your sticker ready, there are two possible steps to take here. The first alternative is to manufacture them. That means that instead of printing and cutting the stickers yourself, you let the business do it for you. I personally recommend to go to a local printer to support local businesses, but if you don't have any near you, you can just manufacture them online with webs like Sticker App, Sticker Shop, and many others. The only thing you have to do is send them your PNG file with no background, tell them the size and the number of stickers you want, pay, and wait. After some days, your stickers will be sent to your house. This method is perfect if you don't have a printer or you just don't have a lot of time to do it yourself. The second alternative, as mentioned, involves printing them at home with a printer. I have an HP SmartTank 7000 series, but as with the tablets, you don't have to have this one. Search online which ones are the best and what printer goes better with your budget. I personally recommend getting one with a SmartTank and, of course, that prints with really good quality. Prepare your design in an A4 file with as many stickers as you can with enough space between them and send it to your printer. It's possible that the first few times the quality won't be the best. You will probably have to go through a couple trials and errors before you find the perfect setting for your printer, depending on the sticker paper you're using. Once the stickers are printed, you can cut them with some scissors. Or, if you want to go all the way, here's the last alternative. The Cricut or other cutting machines is a machine that cuts stickers for you. I have the Explorer too, but this one is quite expensive and it's a bit of an overkill if you just want to make stickers. There are plenty of other Cricuts out there that are cheaper and do the exact same thing. I just happened to get mine when it was on sale. The Cricut comes with its own app that connects to your printer. To print your design, you're gonna have to create a new project and import your PNG file. Depending on how big you want your stickers to be, you'll be able to print around 4 or 6 stickers per page. Copy and paste as many as you can and put them next to each other without overlapping. Once you have all of them selected, attach them and click the button Create on the top right. The app will guide you through the next steps. First, you will print the design. You'll notice that there will be black stripes around it. That's completely normal. The Cricut uses those lines to calibrate and know where to cut. Once you have your designs printed, you'll have to put the sticker paper on top of the mat that comes with your Cricut. The mat makes it easier for the sticker paper to stay put while the machine cuts. Then follow the final steps and put the mat in the machine. Click this button to lock it in, and once the machine is ready, click the start button. The machine will start cutting the edges of your sticker, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy a bit of this amazing ASMR as you watch how it works. Once it's all cut, you can remove the stickers from the mat. And that's it! Making stickers is super easy. You don't need a lot of stuff to do it. As you could see, you can manufacture everything. You can even do it by hand. So no matter what you have or you don't have, don't be discouraged and just have fun, try new ways. And if you have any doubts or you want to add anything to the things I said, feel free to comment down below and I'll be super glad to read your comments. Before the video ends, just a little reminder that I have these two new little stickers on my shop. I'll be linking it down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Folded at the corner so that I could